Thanks for joining us on this wellness journey. I am Laura, also known as Zen Diva for You, the ambassador of Zen Nation, here to assist with enriching our lives, body, mind, and spirit. We consist of more than just a physical body. We also have an energy body. The energy body is like the blueprint for the physical body. This energy body consists of 7 major chakras, which circulate energy through the body, affecting us on many levels. Disclaimer: the guided meditations provided here are intended for personal use and are designed to promote relaxation, mental clarity, and spiritual well-being. They are not a substitute for professional medical or psychological advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Do not listen to these recordings while driving, operating heavy machinery, or engaging in activities that require your full attention. The creator and distributor of these meditations assume no responsibility or liability for any injury, loss, or damage incurred as a result of using these recordings. By accessing and using these meditations, you acknowledge and agree to take full responsibility for your well-being and release the creator and distributor from any claims or liabilities. These meditations are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. They are meant to complement, not replace, any advice or treatment prescribed by a licensed healthcare professional. Welcome. This is Lori, aka Zen Diva for You, the ambassador of Zen Nation. This is where we come to enrich our lives, body, mind, and spirit. Our focus will be on rejuvenating the body, calming and soothing the mind as we connect to our higher, more loving nature. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you. You can access the downloadable version of this meditation and support the channel by joining my Patreon. The link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery, as we shift our reality into a higher, more loving and comforting frequency, we surrender to deep and profound relaxation. Nestle into your pillow. Find a comfortable position, lying down on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing up, and legs gently apart, or whatever position you find to be comfortable for you currently. Allow your eyes to softly close, inviting the gentle darkness to envelop you. This is the darkness from which we emerged. This is the darkness from which all things are created. Take a moment to connect with your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. Focus on your breath. Feel the cool air enter your nose. Gently blow it out your mouth. Do that 3 or 4 times, feeling more and more relaxed with each breath. Focus on what you desire to create. Imagine you can create whatever you desire. Everything is energy. See this energy swirling all around you, like the colors of the rainbow, swirling gently, caressing you, nurturing your energy body. We will replenish, repair, and balance our energy body. Now, bring your awareness to your feet, feeling the soothing energy grounding you to the earth. Picture this warming red light caressing your feet and toes, releasing any tension or tightness. With each breath, let this warmth travel up through your ankles, relaxing every muscle it touches. If you are experiencing any discomfort, imagine yourself rooted and grounded into the earth. Strong, healthy roots extending from the hips, extending down into earth, twice the length of your body. These roots are extracting all pain and discomfort from the body, sending it through the roots down into the earth. As this radiant red light continues to glow, visualize this warm, soothing, vibrant red light reaching your root chakra, located at the base of your spine. This is your foundation, the anchor of your physical and energy body. Feel the warmth pulsating, connecting you to the Earth's nurturing energy. In this space, acknowledge any feelings of safety and security and allow them to expand. We are loved and cared for by our Source Creator above and beyond our wildest dreams. We are entitled to miracles. Miracles are acts of love. Everything is an act of love or a call for love. Are we willing to answer the call? Let's continue to swirl the beautiful energetic colors of the rainbow. Look at that beautiful orange color, gently swirling around your entire body, caressing you gently. Now let's move slowly. Slowly up the body, bring your attention to the sacral chakra, just below the navel. Envision an orange glow radiating through your lower abdomen. This is the center of creativity and passion. Allow the energy to stir, awakening your creative essence. Embrace the emotions that surface, acknowledging them with kindness. How are we digesting the challenges of life? We all experience challenges. Let's meet and greet these challenges with creativity and passion, knowing that if we ask our higher self for guidance and comfort through the process, we allow the solutions to present themselves in divine timing. Knowing our true nature of divine energy allows our esteem of our beingness to rise and ascend beyond this 3D reality. I am pure awareness, observing my next strategic move. Vibrant yellow energy glowing like the soothing sun, warming my soul. Now, ascend to the solar plexus chakra, situated above the navel, as I picture this vibrant yellow light infusing our core. This is our power center, governing our self-esteem and personal power. Know that we can tap into the power of the universe. Feel the warm yellow energy empowering you, igniting the fire within. Recognize your worthiness and strength. We deserve to live and enjoy our best life now. Enjoying the swirling, vibrant rainbow colors. The beautiful, vibrant color of green infuses the trees and plants with the nourishment needed to grow, expand, and nurture us internally. We continue our journey to the heart chakra, located at the center of your chest. Imagine a gentle green light enveloping your heart space. This is the realm of love and compassion. Let the warmth melt away any barriers, opening your heart to receive and give love freely. Allow love to flow unconditionally. This is the miracle we desire to see. We are entitled to miracles. Our purpose is to perform miracles. Everything is love or a call for love. Will we answer the call, set our intentions, and speak them into existence? What are our intentions? Ascending further, reach the throat chakra, bathed in a calming blue light. There is a beautiful blue light swirling around in and through us, and it is good. The throat is our center of communication and self-expression. Feel the soothing energy clearing any blockages, allowing our authentic voice to resonate. Speaking our truth with love and authenticity. Things are happening in divine order as we follow our intuition. By quieting the mind and allowing this indigo, golden light to shine at the center of our mind, we saturate our consciousness and become aware of our unity with all that is. Move up to the third eye chakra, located between our eyebrows. Envision an indigo golden light expanding our awareness. This is our intuition, our inner knowing. Trust the insights that arise, letting go of doubts and fears. Embrace the clarity that unfolds. Swirling vibrantly, this silver, golden light shines down upon us, connecting us with the universal divinity, assisting us in transcending this 3D reality as we ascend into the higher dimensions, the energy center. Finally, arrive at the crown chakra at the top of our head, illuminated by a violet light. This is our connection to the divine, to the infinite. Feel the expansiveness as the energy reaches beyond our physical form. Recognize our divine nature, the spark of the Creator within us. In this state of profound relaxation, let these ideas gently weave into our consciousness. Remember, we are all entitled to miracles. Miracles are acts of love, born from love. In every experience, there is either love or a call for love. Set the intention for a miracle as you navigate the energies within. Acknowledge that, just like our Creator, we are made in the likeness of divine love. Strive to see things from the perspective of love, releasing the old programs that no longer serve us. Embrace the truth that everything comes from either love or fear. Choose love. Breathe in the essence of love, and exhale any remnants of fear. As you dwell in this profound state of relaxation and connection, remember that we are a being of light, a masterpiece of the divine. May the energy of this practice continue to resonate within us, guiding us to create new programs based on love and understanding. Namaste. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. Namaste. We are loved and cared for by our Source Creator above and beyond our wildest dreams. We are entitled to miracles. Miracles are acts of love. Everything is an act of love or a call for love. Are we willing to answer the call? Namaste. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. Namaste. We are loved and cared for by our Source Creator above and beyond our wildest dreams. We are entitled to miracles. Miracles are acts of love. Everything is an act of love or a call for love. Are we willing to answer the call? Namaste. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. Namaste. We are loved and cared for by our Source Creator above and beyond our wildest dreams. We are entitled to miracles. Miracles are acts of love. Everything is an act of love or a call for love. Are we willing to answer the call? Namaste. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you. The divine in me acknowledges the divine in you.